All right, guys, I think I'm on. This is Emmett the Alpha Builder. Guys, Mike, this one right here goes out to you, man. Mike is a builder that he actually trained me. I met Mike probably about, oh man, it might have been 25 plus years ago. And we just kind of bonded then, man, and we kind of been talking ever since, man. We probably talk 2 or 3 times a week. And both of us, he's one of those builders, he's older than me now. He's probably about 15 years older than me. But he's one of those builders who he can't give it up, man. He loves it so much. It's a passion. He probably don't ever have to build. He don't have to build again probably in his life if he doesn't want to. I think he's okay, but he loves to build. He keeps coming to it, man. And we talk a lot, man. But guys, one thing that makes me feel really, really good is when I have builders who have helped me out so much and shared so much information with me. As a matter of fact, these guys are my mentors. They have been very inspirational in helping me get to the point that I'm at. Guys, it makes me feel extremely good when they reach out to me and ask me for, it could be anything, advice, subcontractors, or help on something like that, man, it makes me feel really, really good when those guys like that ask me for anything. And I can't, man, guys, I look forward to helping those guys. I will help those guys to the end of the world. But guys, builders, I know some of us are in the same market, but we all work together. And we all should work together. There's enough out here for everybody to do well, man. You can't be so clenched on trying to get customers and get the things that you have until you don't open your hands up to receive. I know builders, I've seen builders, man, that they won't want to share anything with you. They would not share. Guys, I hate to say it, but in some cases, especially in my race, sometimes these guys are hush-hush, they don't want to tell you nothing. And I'm not saying this always, man, but guys, in this game, I'll tell you somebody, Thomas, this is a shout out for you too, man. That guy, Thomas, he knows who I'm talking about. That guy would probably give his right hand to help. And I appreciate him too. So he's another one I want to add to the list. And I'll be honest with you, I just pick up the phone and just call these guys now. I call these guys to check on them. Even if I don't hear anything from them, I'm gonna pick up the phone and call those guys. So Mike, Thomas, hey man, I appreciate you guys, man. And builders have to get in here and we gotta work together as a team, man. Don't just try to hoard information. I mean, you got the internet anyway. You can't hoard information. So guys, the information is out there anyway, but help one another out, man. If a builder called me, I had this builder here, he called me and said, hey man, I need some power. And link up to it. I wanna help you. In this neighborhood, yeah. Hey man, link up to it, man. He need a subcontract. Hey man, I send him a contact. Guys, you can't have a spirit of scarcity. You're afraid that you may lose out. You can't have that spirit, man. If you got that spirit, you're just not gonna make it in this game, man, because the bottom line is we all need help. Even me, guys. I always need help. So I reach out to these guys. Guys, like, share, subscribe, and Mike, you and Thomas, thanks. As a matter of fact, I talked to both of those guys today too. And there's some more guys out here, man, that really help. Rob, he helps me out a lot, just get my mind back right. I have a few more guys that I talk to. Even Clay helps me out a lot too, man. He helps me see things from a younger person. He's younger. I taught him in high school, but he helps me see things from a younger person's point of view that I can't quite get because I'm so disconnected to the younger crowd. But guys, like, share, subscribe, and this is the way.